Nothing ruins a great video faster than bad audio, whether it's distracting music, background chatter, or that one dog barking in the distance. But don't panic. Today, I'm about to show you how to delete, mute, or extract audio in Canva in just a few clicks. Let's make your video sound as good as it looks. I'm in Canva, and today I'm going to teach you how to delete audio from videos. So these 3 examples here are all videos that have sounds. I'll play a little bit of them just so you can hear.
Have you ever thought about creating?
These 2 are from Canva, and this one obviously is one of mine. What I want to help you with is understanding how to work with audio, music, or sounds whenever you're making a video. So let's come to this video first. I'll click on it, and then it'll open up this top menu bar. So go to Audio and click on that. Now you see you have a few options to work with. If you want to mute the sound in the video, this is how you do it. If you want to just completely delete the sound, if you click here on mute, you see the volume is now all the way down. Now when we listen to it, the sound is gone. So that's how you do that. If you made a mistake, you can come back up here and unmute it, and now the sound is back. If you need to mute the sound, you just click on that button right there to mute it. Alright, let's go to the second one. Imagine that you love this video of the bird singing, but it's just way too loud. So what do? Easy! We're going to come here and click on the video. It will open up this menu at the top. Go to Audio and click on that. There's the mute option we used a few minutes ago. Now we're going to talk about the volume. You do have control over it inside Canva. You can make it whatever level you want to. So if you like the bird singing, but it's too loud, here is where you can control the volume. That's how you do that. So it's not really deleting the sound, but it's making it more manageable to use.
Have you ever thought about creating?
Now, on this last video, this is one of mine, so I'll click on it the same as before. Once you see the menu up here at the top, click on Audio. Now you'll see something new. If you actually create something of your own and you upload it to Canva, you'll have another option. So we'll click on Extract, and now you can see that it has separated the narration from the video. It's still there, but it's no longer a part of the actual video since Canva has separated the 2. You can still listen to it, but if you want to get rid of it altogether, just right. Click on it and delete it. Now it's gone, so that's another way to delete it. So depending on what your options are, you have a few different things you can do to remove sounds or music from a video. You can mute it, you can change the volume, or you can actually extract the sound from the video, and those are your options.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.